What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Beautiful AI. Beautiful AI is an AI-powered online presentation tool that simplifies the creation of professional presentations by offering smart templates that adapt to content and style choices. It streamlines design processes by automatically handling layouts, colors, fonts, and animations. With features like real-time collaboration, easy sharing options, and customization capabilities, Beautiful AI caters to professionals across various fields looking to create impactful presentation without the need for intricate design skills. Now, let's take a look at its key features. Beautiful AI offers over 60 customizable smart slide templates that helps users stay on brand consistently, bring ideas to life with automatic animations, add audio or narration for context, and measure presentation metrics by viewer analytics. Users can start with hundreds of pre-built slides, saving hours from starting presentation from scratch. The platform provides simple, intuitive controls and allows for the creation of new layouts in seconds. Users can choose from a library of easy-to-use smart slide templates that are customizable with endless variety and design options. These templates cover popular slides like timelines, sales funnels, Venn diagrams, basic slides such as titles and contact pages, lists, data and charts, visuals, diagram, timelines, and comparison slides. Beautiful AI offers curated presentation templates for professionals in various fields like marketing, sales, pitch decks, and education. These templates are ready to use and fully customizable with just a few clicks, providing a quick start for creating impactful presentations. Beautiful AI allows for a real-time collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on a presentation simultaneously. This feature promotes teamwork, streamlines the design process, and ensures that everyone is on the same page during the creation of presentations. Users can customize their presentation with branding elements like logos, colors, and fonts. This allows them to maintain a consistent brand identity across all presentations, ensuring that their visual identity is always on point. Now, let's take a look at its drawbacks. Beautiful AI is a cloud-based tool, which means users need a stable internet connection to access and work on their presentations. This dependency on internet connectivity may pose challenges for users in areas with poor or unreliable internet access. Beautiful AI operates on a subscription-based model, requiring users to pay for access to premium features and templates. While there is a free version available, users looking to unlock advanced features or access a wider range of templates may need to invest in a paid subscription, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious individuals and organizations. Despite offering smart templates and easy customization features, Beautiful AI may lack the flexibility needed for users who require highly customized or unique design elements. The platform's focus on simplicity and automation may restrict users seeking intricate design control or unconventional layouts. In conclusion, Beautiful AI offers a user-friendly platform powered by AI to simplify the creation of professional presentations. While it excels in providing smart templates, real-time collaboration, and branding options, users may encounter limitations in design flexibility and reliance on internet connectivity. Overall, Beautiful AI is a valuable tool for creating visually appealing presentations efficiently, especially for users who prioritize ease of use and streamlined design processes. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.